Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Xiaomi Redmi 13C for a senior person. And to do this, first I've checked for simple or senior mode on this device, and sadly there was no such thing, which makes it a bit harder to configure it for a senior person, and we'll need to change all of the settings manually. So again, open your settings, and here let's scroll down, find accessibility. It might be in additional settings right here. Yep, there it is. Then we need to move to the vision tab. Here we can change our display size between small, extra small or large. Depending on the preference, adjust the display size correspondingly, and let's make the icons bigger. Then we have the magnification. When you activate it, you'll be able to use this icon that floats around your screen to magnify onto your screen like this. So click on that icon again, and you'll be able to remove magnification. Then next one is to remove animations, which will reduce motion sickness when you're using this device. We can also activate high contrast text, which makes all of the text much more readable as it becomes a bit blacker. Then let's go back and access our display settings, and here we can go for text size and also make it as large or however you like with the size. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.